Hello friends, this is Miss Hedstrom. Today you have a fairly easy reading day. So I'm not even going to do a separate lesson. I'm just going to walk through your activity. So today you will be making inferences based on what the author has provided. So I'm going to read the sentences here so that you have already heard them before you go and work yourself. So this first one says, Jill put on her pajamas and brushed her teeth. So knowing that information that the author gave me, along with what I already know or have experienced, what can I infer? Well, if Jill had put on her pajamas and brushed her teeth, I can infer that she's probably going to bed because I know that I brush my teeth before I go to bed. And I also know that I put on my pajamas before bed. I don't put on my pajamas before I go to school. I don't put on my pajamas when I wake up. These are things that she does or that most people do before bed. So I can infer that she's going to go to bed. Now, the rest you are going to have to do on your own, but I'm going to read them for you. Jim headed out with his tackle box and rod. And there's a picture right there. I need to go and hide those. The chrysalis began to shake and quiver. All right, next page. The baby birds chirped and opened their mouth. There's your little picture. You'd write your inference here, by the way. The bird went in and out of the birdhouse. There's your picture. And Hannah opened her umbrella just in time. What can we infer? So, knowing what we know and what the author has shared, you will be making an inference for those sentences. Now, when you do your inference, I want you to use your text option, and I will model that right now. Come on, let's move you down here. And we said Jill put on her pajamas and brushed her teeth. I can infer, oops, not, Jill is going to bed. And now, just like what Mr. Ratter said earlier in today's lesson, come on, gotta make it smaller. Here we go. It's a little bit farther out. Did I not say bed? Jill is going to bed. There we go. And also, I'm going to show you something here. If you go to Style, and you click right here on this A, then you get rid of the box also. Jill is going to bed. So you will do that for the rest of these. Yeah, I think that's all. So have fun. You'll be able to get this done quickly. And I will